Hey guys, it's Xdevo here today. Basically I have a G36C for sale. Yep, here's the gun. I'm only selling in the UK at the moment in time. So if I try and sell it overseas it'll be quite expensive, and if I sell it in the USA I have to have an orange tip. So yeah, in the UK you have to have a ukar license. So I'm looking for people who have ukar license. There you go. It's a sports line series, G36C. Yeah, classic army. It's going around for £145. There you go. Filled in stock. There you go, that's all the info. Class, fibre body, metal flash harder, and metal gearbox. So yeah, let's get into the box to show you the gun. It's been in the loft for quite a bit of time. At a minute. There you go. It has never been shot at all. You get pre-shoot targets to shoot at. They say it's brand new. Old signatures and stuff. Yeah, from the stock, you can have a look at this. There you go, there's all the info. They say it's new. It is the Sportsline series of the Airsoft guns, G36C, stuff like that. We'll get onto the gun in a second. The manual, how to use it, just the battery, stuff like that. There you go. Just the info about the gun and what the face selection and stuff like that. How to put your batteries in, and how to take your gun apart, and the safety. Oh, there's the book and the gun itself. 370 round mag. Trapdoor there. The BBs, sample BBs you get with it. To say it's new, the gun. This is not actually put on, it's actually on the gun because it's brand new. Yep. There's the gun. Fire selection. Full gun is ABS plastic. There you go. I'll just put you down for a second. Unfold the stock. There you go. And fire selection. I don't know the FPS for this gun. It's a barrel and it's metal. You've got the side reels, the bottom reel, front gun to attach stuff. Yeah. And here's a top reel. This gun has never been shot. But there you go. It's quite stiff still, so yep. There's the sight. So yep, here's the full gun. I don't know its FPS. It also comes with a cleaning rod. This gun has never been used, so here's the stock. Just comes on there. Just press that. And it just connects onto there. But yep, that's the gun I'm selling at the minute in time. So yep, it's G36C. Is looking for a new home and buyers. If anyone's interested in buying this gun, please inbox me and I'll get back to you. It's brand new, never been used, never been tested. It's just been in my loft all this time. You get everything with it. There's also a warranty for it. I've still got another few months on that. So if you want your money back, I'll accept it. I'll get the gun back and you'll get your money back if you don't like the gun. But if it's been used, then I'll know. If you want me to take the gun actually apart to get the battery in, I'll show you how to install the battery. But yeah, if you want a battery included, I'll include one for a extra bit of money for it, because it doesn't originally come with a battery. But yeah, there's a full view of the gun itself. I'm not going to put the actual mag into the magazine hole because it might scratch it and that. But yeah, here's the gun I'm selling. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, please rate, subscribe and comment. This is what I'm also doing. If you subscribe to me, I'll also subscribe to you. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.